Hello, everyone. Happy Tuesday. I hope you had a fantastic, long, wonderful weekend. Welcome back to another fun filled week of distance learning. So, today I'm going to go over what you're going to do, and that's about it. So, let's get started. All right. If you are on this slide, then you are watching this video. Read every day. Please make sure you read every day for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Here's your table of contents and our learning goal for the week. Here we go. Students will compare and contrast key details from reading in order to write an opinion about markets in a community. So we know what a community is. It's a place where people live and work together. But what's a market? Maybe we'll find out today. All right, your success criteria for reading. The student can retell key details after reading an informational text. The student can determine the main topic after reading an informational text. The student can identify key details that support the main topic of the text or two different texts on the same topic. And the student can identify similarities and differences in illustrations, procedures, and descriptions of two texts. Success criteria for writing. The student can state an opinion in writing. The student can include the topic or name of the book they are writing about when sharing an opinion in writing. The student can include a reason when sharing an opinion in writing. The student can provide some sense of closure when sharing an opinion in writing. And this week, we are moving on to social studies, or we're going back to social studies. So here is your success criteria for social studies. The student can explain how markets operate, which means how they work. The student can identify markets in the local community, such as grocery stores, farmers markets, toy stores, and fast food restaurants. So that might give you a hint of some different markets. And the student can describe the skills people need for their work in the home, school, and community. All right. So for today, your learning goal we just read, your essential question, how are markets in the community similar and different? Today, we will read two texts about different types of markets in order to understand the similarities and differences between texts. So, like we did for the last unit, I have your end goal here, okay? So what you're going to be doing on Thursday, this is just for this week, your end goal. You are going to be writing an opinion piece about where ice cream comes from. And you have 3 different ideas, and you're going to pick one of those ideas, and then you're going to write about it and give me reasons and examples to support your opinion. Okay, so it says, I'm going to read it real quick to you guys. 4 friends were enjoying their frozen treats. The youngest of the 4 friends was unsure where her ice cream came from. Below are 3 ideas that were shared by the friends. Which idea do you agree with and why? So, idea 1 says, the ice cream came from an ice cream company that makes ice cream. Idea 2, the ice cream came from the store that makes the ice cream in the kitchen. Or idea 3, the ice cream came from a farm. You will use information that you read this week to write your opinion about the idea you most agree with. You will use information that you read to support your opinion with reasons and examples. So this is what you should keep in mind while we're working this week, okay? First thing you're going to do, I have a little PowerPoint for you. It says, where do you go to get your frozen treat? So you're going to click on it, and it's just a PowerPoint. It's nothing super duper special, but where do you go to get your ice cream in Washington County? There might be places you've never heard of on this PowerPoint, or there might be places that you have heard of. So think about that while you watch it. Then you're going to read this text. It's called Let's Visit the Supermarket. It is in your packet for this week that you got in the mail. And I also have a video of me reading it that you can follow along with. I also have it posted on Google Classroom, so you can have a digital copy as well. So you're going to read that one. Then you're going to read A Visit to the Farmer's Market. Same thing. It's in your packet if you need it, or it is on Google Classroom digitally, and you can click the link and listen to me read. After you read both of those texts, you're then going to complete choice number 3 on your choice board in your packet. There is a Venn diagram in your packet that you can use, or you can use the one I put on Google Classroom. You're going to tell me the similarities and differences of the two texts. So what was the same and what was different? I will show you on Google Classroom. You're going to go to ELA 526 Market Venn Diagram. And I already have it labeled for you with both texts. And then you have 2 ideas for each section, 2 differences for each text, and 2 similarities. Okay? Text boxes, the usual. You guys know this. We've done it a couple of times now. So this should be super duper easy. Okay? All right. I think that is all for today. Yep. Easy peasy. So remember to be thinking about your the end goal while you're working today. Okay? Have a great Tuesday. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll talk to you guys later.